Hello everyone. Welcome to Red Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region YouTube channel. We will be studying through the video series every day. The different subjects, staying at home, being safe. Learn and understand the concepts and revise them at home. Today's our subject of study is Standard 5th Scholarship English. Unit number 5 Creative Writing. Lesson number 42 Titles, Captions and Headlines. Lesson number 43 Meaningful Paragraphs. Lesson number 44 Stories, Processes, Events and Experiments. Lesson number 45 Autobiographies. Lesson number 46 Informal Letters. Let's begin with the first topic Titles, Captions and Headlines. Titles, captions, and headlines are generally short, catchy, and interesting. They can be puns, that is, play on words, or rhymes, or idioms, or proverbs. In this exercise, you have to choose suitable titles, captions, or headlines for news items, stories, pictures, cartoons, leaflets, etc. Let's solve some questions based on this topic. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate options for the questions given below the news items, stories or pictures. Now, one news item is given here. Let's read out the news. Mumbai, August 12. A recent survey of the Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road SCLR by the MSRDC revealed that the 2-year-old road is already ridden with potholes and scratches, posing a threat not only to the motorists but also to the Kurla railway tracks below. Now, let's find out the question's answers based on this news item. Question number 1. The most suitable headline is dash dash. There are potholes on SCLR. 2-year-old SCLR falls prey to potholes. SCLR, a recent survey showed. Out of these four options, option number 2, that is 2-year-old SCLR falls prey to potholes, is the correct headline for the given news item. Hence, the correct answer is option number 2. See the picture. After observing this picture, we have to find out the correct option to the given questions. Question number 1. What will be a suitable addition to this picture? Options are a duck pond, a dustbin, a computer, a bus. Out of these four options, option number 2, that is a dustbin, will be a suitable addition to this picture. Hence, the correct answer is option number 2. Next question. The most suitable caption for the picture is dash dash. Options are cleanliness is next to godliness, help others, plant a sapling, go green. Out of these four options, option number 1, that is cleanliness is next to godliness, is the most suitable caption for the given picture. Hence, the correct answer is option number 1. Next point to be studied is meaningful paragraphs. You are given sentences or paragraphs with words or phrases missing. You have to select the correct words or phrases from the answer choices given to make sensible sentences or paragraphs. Let's solve some questions based on the topic. Read the paragraphs carefully and complete the sentences choosing from the options given. Paragraph number 1. Let's read out the paragraph. The birds were flying dash dash. Women were going dash dash to fetch water. A cool breeze blew dash dash. It was a very peaceful scene. Here one paragraph is given with 3 blank spaces, namely A, B and C. Now we have to find out correct options to fill in these blank spaces. Question number 1. Pick the right option to fill in the blank A. Options are on the sun, for the sun, in sun. Out of these four options, option number 3, that is in the sun, is the correct option to fill in the blank A. Hence, the correct answer is option number 3. Next question. Pick the right option to fill in the blank B. Options are from the riverside, to the riverside, to the sun, over the riverside. Out of these four options, option number 2, that is to the riverside, is the correct option to fill in the blank B. Hence, the correct answer is option number 2. Next question. Pick out the right option to fill in the blank C. Options are from the river, for the river, into the river, against the river. Out of these four options, Option number 1, that is from the river, is the correct option to fill in the blank C. Hence, the correct answer is option number 1. Paragraph number 2. Dash dash with two bags suspended from his neck. One is front and one behind. Both are full of faults, but the one in front dash dash, the one behind dash dash. That is why he says dash dash. This paragraph is given with the 4 blank spaces and we have to find out correct options to fill in these blank spaces. Let's read out the question. Question number 1. Options for the blank A are all men is born, every man is born, man are born, men born. Out of these 4 options, option number 2, that is every man is born, is the correct option to fill in the blank A. Hence the correct answer is option number 2. Next, options for blank B. Is full of his own, his neighbor's faults, is full of his neighbor's faults, is his neighbor's. Out of these 4 options, option number 3, that is full of his neighbor's faults, is the correct option to fill in the blank B. Hence, the correct answer is option number 3. Next question. Options for blank C. Options are full of his own, his neighbor's faults, filled of his own, is against his own. Out of these 4 options, option number 1, that is full of his own, is the correct option to fill in the blank C. Hence, the correct answer is option number 1. Next question. Option for blank D. Options are only his neighbor, only his own, only his neighbor's faults, only himself. Out of these 4 options, option number 3, that is only his neighbor's faults, is the correct option to fill in the blank D. Hence, the correct answer is option number 3. Next topic to be studied is stories, processes, events and experiments. In this exercise, you will be given stories, events, processes or experiments. You have to choose the correct words to fill in the blanks or choose the correct ending. You may also be asked to choose the moral of the story or the title or put jumbled sentences in order or choose the correct steps in a process or events, etc. Let's solve the questions based on this topic. Read the story carefully and complete the sentences choosing from the given options. Title of the story is The Foolish Tiger. Let's read out the story. A tiger was roaming proudly dash dash. He knew that he was powerful. Suddenly he came to a bridge over a river. He walked across it and looked down into the water. He was amazed dash dash. The tiger roared loudly. How dare some other tiger dash dash? The story is given with the 3 blank spaces. We have to find out options to fill in these blank spaces. Question number 1. Select the proper phrase for blank A. Options are through a city, through a forest, through the water, through the bridge. Out of these 4 options, option number 2, that is through a forest, is the correct option to fill in the blank A. Hence, the correct answer is option number 2. Next question. Select the proper phrase for blank B. Options are to use a lion in it, to see some fish, to see another tiger in it, to use the water. Out of these 4 options, option number 3, that is to see another tiger in it, is the correct option to fill in the blank B. Hence, the correct answer is option number 3. Next question. Select the proper phrase for blank C. Options are challenge his authority, challenge himself, challenge nature, challenge the forest. Out of these 4 options, option number 1, that is challenge his authority, is the correct option to fill in the blank C. Hence, the correct answer is option number 1. Next, corn and groundnut bhel. Read the steps below and rearrange them in proper order. Steps are given. When it is cool, add salt, cut onions, green chilies and coriander leaves and mix well. Next step is soak groundnuts in water for 2 hours. Next, mix all the ingredients again and serve the bhel. Cook corn and groundnuts in a cooker. Finally, add chaat masala and lime juice. These steps are given and we have to rearrange them in a proper order. Options are B, D, C, A, C, B, D, E, B, D, A, E, C and B, D, C, E, A. Out of these four options, option number 3, that is B, D, A, E, C is the correct sequence of the steps of this event. Hence the correct answer is option number 3. Next topic, a sporting event. Choose the correct option to fill in the last block. During a sporting event, a participant must show sportsmanship, be honest, eat well and rest well, try his or her best. And last block is vacant. We have to find out correct option to fill in the last block. Options are fight on the field, try to outshine others, have team spirit, sulk and throw tantrums. Out of these four options, option number 3, that is have team spirit, is the correct option to fill in the last block. Hence the correct answer is option number 3. Next topic to be studied is autobiographies. In this exercise, you will be given autobiographies where you may have to choose the correct words to fill in the blanks, or choose the correct object or animal, or the title, or put jumbled sentences in order, etc. Let's solve some questions based on this topic. Read the following lines carefully and choose the correct alternatives. First, finally, a rich businessman bought me. I was born in a factory in Ahmedabad. Even today, he takes great care of me. He drove me very carefully on the road. Many people came to see me in the showroom. I was transported to Mumbai in a trailer. Now, let's read out the questions. Question number 1. The above sentences are about, options are a watch, a cart, a house, a car. Out of these four options, option number 4, that is a car, is the correct answer about what these sentences are written. Hence the correct answer is option number 4. Next question. The correct order of the sentences is B, E, F, A, D, C, F, B, E, A, D, C, B, F, E, A, D, E, B, F, D, C, E, A. Out of these four options, option number 3, that is B, F, E, A, D, E is the correct order of the sentences. Hence, the correct answer is option number 3. Autobiography of dash dash. Choose the correct options from those given below to fill in the blanks in the autobiography given below. Given words are useful, revered, animals, banyan, understand, gold, harming, humans. Now let's read out the autobiography. I am a huge dash dash tree. I am more than 200 years old. I was loved and dash dash all these years. However, now some evil dash dash are planning to cut me down. Don't they understand how dash dash I am? In this way, the autobiography is given here with 4 blank spaces. We have to find out correct option for each blank space. Question number 1. Options for blank 1. Revered, useful, banyan, gold. Out of these 4 options, option number 3, that is banyan, is the correct word to fill in the blank number 1. Hence the correct answer is option number 3. Next, options for the blank 2. Revered, understand, harming, useful. Out of these 4 options, option number 1, that is revered, is the correct option to fill in the blank number 2nd. Hence the correct answer is option number 1. Third, options for the blank 3. Animals, humans, banyan, harming. Out of these 4 options, option number 2, that is humans, is the correct option to fill in the blank number 3. Hence the correct answer is option number 2. Next, options for the blank number 4. Revered, harming, useful, gold. Out of these 4 options, option number 3, that is useful, is the correct option to fill in the blank number 4. Hence, the correct answer is option number 3. Next topic to be studied is informal letters. In this exercise, you may be asked the format, or you may have to complete the given letter, or you may be asked the correct options for certain questions. A letter must contain the following parts. Your address. It includes name and number of building or block, road area, name of the city or village, pin code and date. These things should be included into address section. Next comes the salutation part. It starts with the word dear. Then comes the main body of the letter. And finally comes leave taking or ending of the letter. It starts with your loving dash dash and name of the writer. Beginning of the letter. If you are writing a letter to your father, it should start with respected father. If you are writing a letter to your mother, it should begin with the words dear mother. And if you are writing a letter to your friend or a relative of your age, then it should begin with the word dear and then name of the person. Ending of the letter. If you are writing a letter to your father, then it should end with the words yours respectfully. If you are writing a letter to your mother, then it should end with the words yours affectionately or your loving son or daughter. If you are writing a letter to your friend or a relative of your age, then it should end with the words your loving friend or affectionately yours. Now let's solve some questions based on this topic. Question number 1. What is missing in the address given below? Address is given here. Let's read out the address. B5 408 Nilkant Apartments, JN Road, Ghatkopar, Mumbai, 17th January 2018. Now we have to find out the topic which is missing in the address. Options are date, name of building, pin code and name of city. Out of these 4 options, option number 3, that is pin code, is the missing thing in the given address. Hence, the correct answer is option number 3. Next question. What is missing in the leave taking given below? One sample of leave taking is given here. Your loving dash dash Alia. And options are principal, sister, teacher, student. Out of these 4 options, option number 2, that is sister, is the missing in the leave taking given here. Hence the correct answer is option number 2. In this way, students, we have completed all the topics of today's learning. Now here is an activity for you. You have to solve these questions in your notebook. Questions are question number 2 of page number 135, question number 2 of page number 141, question number 7 of page number 146, question number 3 of page number 149 and question number 2 of page number 153. I am sure you all will solve this activity in your notebook. Again we will come to meet you with another video. Till then, enjoy your study and take care. Students, if you like this video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.